Good morning to all. My name is Sanjay Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, MLB Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I am going to discuss Module 1, Lecture number 8, depends on brakes. Here schematic diagram of band or block brake. The band brake may be lined with block of wood or other material. 1, 2, 3 is called block of wood or other material. The friction between the block and the drum. The friction between block and between drum provided by brake lining. Let n number of blocks, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the n number of blocks made up of wood or other material. Each subtended at angle of theta. Each block subtended at the center of drum is angle equal to 2 theta. Here I have shown a schematic diagram of 2 theta subtended by each block, and drum rotate anti-clockwise and drum rotate anti-clockwise. Here T1 is greater than T2 and P is the applied effort and O is the pivoted point. Now we have discussed some mechanics related to band and block brake. That is the single block, subtended angle 2 theta at the center of drum, that is the 2 theta. If left side tension is T1, therefore other side will be T1 dash, and that T1 and T1 dash makes angle theta with a horizontal line that can be passing through the center of the block. Therefore, two components comes by T1 cos theta and other is T1 sin theta. T1 cos theta is left direction and T1 sin theta at the center of drum. Other force T1 cos theta right direction and T1 dash cos theta right direction and T1 dash sin theta at the center of drum. Already in this theory we know that the friction between block and drum is something like Ft frictional force. Ft is equal to mu times Rn. Rn is the normal applied on the block, that is the Rn force. Mu is the coefficient of friction between block and drum. Mu is the coefficient of friction. Therefore, Ft transmitted frictional force is equal to mu multiply Rn. We have write a equilibrium formula for this diagram. We see that Rn is equal to T1 sin theta plus T1 dash sin theta, and other mu Rn plus T1 cos theta is equal to T1 dash cos theta. It means that mu Rn is equal to T1 dash minus T1 cos theta. Already I have discussed T1 plus T1 dash sin theta is equal to Rn. T1 plus T1 dash works towards the center of drum. T1 minus T1 dash cos theta is equal to mu times Rn. That is the two equation. Second equation divided by first equation. Then we have got T1 upon T1 dash is equal to 1 plus mu tan theta divided upon 1 minus mu tan theta. That equation for only a single block. Consequently, we have solved or produce a equation for second, third, fourth at n. Then we have got T1 dash divided upon T2 dash is equal to T2 dash divided upon T3 dash, T3 dash divided upon T4 dash, finally Tn minus 1 divided upon Tn minus 1 divided upon Tn dash is equal to, T2 dash Tn minus 1 divided upon T2. Why T2? Because of final tension here T2, or initial tension here T1. that is gradually vary T1, T1 dash, T2 dash, T3 dash, T4 dash, T5 dash, and at last T2 is equal to 1 plus mu tan theta 1 minus mu tan theta. That value will be equal to T1 dash divided upon T2 dash, that is the 1 plus mu tan theta divided upon 1 minus mu tan theta is equal to T2 dash upon T3 dash is equal to 1 plus mu tan theta. That value is equal for all tension ratio. Therefore we can apply the T1 divided upon T1 dash multiply T1 dash divided upon T2 dash. Finally Tn minus 1 divided upon T2 is equal to 1 plus mu tan theta divided upon 1 minus mu tan theta whole of bracket to the power of n. T1 dash cancel out, T2 dash cancel out, Tn minus 1 is cancel out. Therefore finally we have got T1 divided upon T2 is equal to 1 plus mu tan theta divided upon 1 minus mu tan theta whole to the power of n. What will be the braking torque? You know that braking torque is Tb. Tb is equal to difference between T1 minus T2, that is the force, and center distance from drum to block is Re. Therefore Tb will be equal to T1 minus T2 multiply Re. Re is equal to radius of drum plus half thickness of block. Here I will discuss numerical related to band brake. Band and block brake shown in figure, already shown in figure, schematic diagram. Band is lined with 12 number of blocks. It means n is equal to 12, which is subtended an angle 15 degree. It means that one block subtended angle 15 degree at center. It means that 2 theta is equal to 15 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 7.5 degree. The thickness of block is 75 mm and diameter of drum is 850 mm. So we know that diameter is equal to 850 mm, thickness is equal to 75 mm. Then we can convert it into meter. Therefore that value will be 0.075 meter and D will be 0.85 meter. And power transmitted by the band brake is equal to P is equal to 225 kilowatt. Convert into watt, 10 to the power multiplied by 3. Speed of drum is 240 rpm, already given in question. Mu coefficient of friction between block and drum is 0.5. Already we know that T1 plus T1 dash is in T1 plus T1 dash sin 7.5 degree is equal to Rn. T1 minus T1 dash cos 7.5 degree is equal to mu times Rn. Divide equation second by equation first. And T1 minus T1 dash divided upon T1 plus T1 dash is equal to mu tan 75 degree. Mu is equal to 0.4. And after that T1 upon T1 dash is equal to 1 plus mu tan 7.5 degree 1 minus mu tan 7.5 degree. You already know that in derivation of band brake. For other blocks T1 upon T1 dash upon T2 dash is equal to T2 dash upon T3 dash is equal to T3 dash upon T4 dash remain constant. Therefore T1 divided upon T2, it means the initial and final tension ratio will be equal to 1 plus mu tan 7.5 degree divided upon 1 minus mu tan 7.5 degree whole to the power of 12 because of number of block n is equal to 12. What will be the radius of braking torque? First we have considered what will be diameter. Diameter D is equal to D is the diameter of drum plus 2 times T. thickness of block, because of block, one block in left side, other block is right side. Therefore, two block added. Here we have write 2 times t. Then it comes 1 meter and radius will be 500 mm. Power absorbed P is equal to T1 minus T2. It means difference in tension T1 minus T2 pi dN divided upon 60. Power already given 225 kilowatt. T1 minus T2 is equal to power multiplies 60 pi dN comes in denominator. Power is equal to 225 multiplied 10 to the power of 3 multiply 60 pi d is equal to 1 meter, and n rpm is equal to 240. That is the round per minute. Therefore comes here in numerator 60. That value T1 minus T2 will be 17900 Newton. We know that T1 divided upon T2 is equal to 1 plus mu tan 7.5 degree divided upon 1 minus mu tan 7.5 degree whole to the power of 12. Mu already known 0.4. The value comes T1 divided upon T2 is equal to 3.5. T1 is equal to 3.55 times T2 put into equation third. Then we have got T1 is equal to 24,920 Newton. T2 is equal to 7,020 Newton. After that we have taking moment about pivoted point. P multiply 500. The distance between of earth and pivoted point is 500 mm is equal to T1 T2 multiply 150 T2, and distance between pivoted and T2 is equal to 150 mm minus T1 multiply 30. 30 is the distance between tension T to pivoted point. Therefore P will be 610.8 Newton. That will be final answer.